In this video, you will explore how to use the getPageTitle keyword in Avo Assure to obtain the name of the SAP page when automating it. Make sure to have a test suite created for the SAP project. Click the Test Steps node, and select Design Test Steps from the context menu to proceed. Add the first test step by selecting at SAP from the Element Name drop-down, and selecting Get Page Title from the Descriptive Keyword drop-down. Then, create the output variable as GPT in curly brackets. Add another test step and select it Generic as the element name, and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the input value as GPT in curly brackets. Do note that this is the same as the output variable in the first test step. Save the designed test steps, and let's debug them. As the designed test steps are debugged, you will witness that the page title of the current SAP page being automated is displayed.